You see that it crumbles, guys. I don't like that. Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Testing the Primer! I am Vasilikis, and in this video we're going to test the Redness Correcting Primer by Essence. This one claims that it is pore minimizing and it can also cover our redness. So we're going to see with some close-ups of my skin how this looks. I have dry and sensitive skin and I have some redness on my cheeks, on my forehead and also on my jaw. We're going to see if this can eliminate my redness and also if it can even out my skin tone. This one contains green clay. It is €3.45 and we get 30 milliliters of product. They have also released two more primers, the mattifying and also the glow boosting, and I have done an individual review for both of them. I will have a card here with the videos if you want to see the reviews for these two. Let me know in the comments if you use anything for the redness of your skin. Do you use a primer, a correcting pen, or nothing at all? Most of the times I am using a medium to full coverage foundation. I also have a correcting pen by Maybelline that I like using that one too, but it is an extra step, extra time, extra product, and most of the times I don't use that, and I prefer using a foundation with fuller coverage so it can cover also my redness. This is a very interesting product because it is a primer and we're going to see also if it can make my foundation long lasting. Share this video with a friend that is looking for a new primer. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. Let's see how this primer looks and how it is applied on my skin. I will apply the primer on half of my face in the beginning and after that on the other half, and we're going to see the difference between the two sides and if it does something with my pores and my redness. So this contains green clay and it is a very light, beautiful green color. I'm going to, ooh, the consistency! It is creamy. So let's see how this looks on the skin. And it has a scent. It is different from the other two primers. It is again very mild. It is like a soap, a little bit chemical, but it's not very strong. The consistency of it is a mousse. It is creamy, but it has a little bit of thickness. It's not like the mattifying. The mattifying was more airy and light. I will let it sink a little bit into my skin because my skin gets always more red after I apply with my fingers products. It didn't do anything for my mosquito bite, but it's okay. I think that this area here, it is a little bit less red than the other side, but I don't see such a big difference, to be honest. This is very easily absorbed into my skin. It is almost not sticky, and if you touch your skin you can see that it starts crumbling, and I haven't experienced that with these primers, so I want to see how my foundation will blend on top of it today. I'm going to apply on the rest of my face as well, and it is very quickly absorbed into my skin. I apply it and it is like it is absorbed. You cannot move it anymore. On this area I will push just a little bit more product into my pores, and you see what I'm saying? Now that I applied by accident again on this area some primer, it starts crumbling, and that's very concerning, guys. It reminds me the L'Oreal skin tint. That was a whole different experience, but I will link that review here if you want to see what I mean. You see that it crumbles, guys. I don't like that. For foundation, I will use the Infallible 24-Hour Matte by L'Oreal. Let's see how the foundation will be applied on top of the primer. And I will blend it with my Real Technique sponge. For concealer, I will use the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10. And I will blend again with my Real Technique sponge. My foundation and my concealer blended very nice on top of the primer. My pores look a little bit blurred here. They are not as visible as they always are. And I can say that it is pore minimizing. On my forehead, it creased just a little bit here, and it is also patchy near my hairline. It is very dry, guys, all over my skin, and it feels very tight. It is a little bit uncomfortable. It is also dry even on my neck, and I'm wondering if I will be able to apply on top of it powder and my other face products that they are powders. I'm not very sure if I will be able to blend them. For powder, I will use the fixing powder by Artdeco Cosmetics. Hi guys, it's been 10 hours and let's see what happened with the face products. My skin feels a little bit tight on my cheekbones and also on my forehead. And also on my forehead I have some flaky areas. My crease lines on my forehead didn't crease, but it is very uncomfortable on my forehead because it feels very tight, and it's been 10 hours and I was feeling this tight sensation all the time. I'm not very glowy and I am just a little bit sticky on this area here near my nose, but on my forehead it's not very sticky and you can see that it's not so glowy. I didn't need a lot of powder to set my makeup today, but at the same time it feels very tight, so I couldn't apply more powder. And also today it was very difficult to blend my contouring products and my blush on top of my foundation, and I have used these that I have tried again and again and they are very smooth and easy to blend. About the redness correcting effect, I was not very impressed. I didn't see a big difference. I didn't like this primer today. I need to use it a little bit more with other foundations. I have some others that they are more glow boosting, because the foundation that I have used today, it is mattifying. Don't forget to check also the videos for these two. Maybe you will like one of these. Give this video a huge thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below if you want me to test another primer. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!